want to show you the 5 terrible mistakes to avoid after you close on a self-storage deal. Number 3 biggest mistake you can make is not optimizing your website. So let's talk about what an optimized self-storage website includes and it has. Number 1 is it has great pictures. Guys, don't be afraid to invest $200 to $300 in a professional photographer to get some drone shots of your property, to come out on a sunny day and take professional pictures and clean it up and make it look nice. That is some of the best money you can spend. So your website should have beautiful pictures of your facility. Pictures where if you went and you looked at it, you go, oh wow, that's nice. I'd like to go rent from this place. Number 2 things that has an easy phone number for customers to call you at with a call to action of rent now, call this. You also want to have a spot on your website that says, want to make a payment for customers, or it can take them to the link where they can make their payment. You'll get a lot of customers who want to call you to make a payment if you can just take that phone call and tell them, hey, you can make a payment at this link, or you say, hey, we'll get you set up on auto payment. We want to reduce the amount of those kind of phone calls that we get. Prices. Guys, have you ever gone to a website and there's no prices on there and you're like, screw this, I'm not calling these people to understand their prices. People want to know their prices. Put the prices of your units on your website. Who cares if your competitors see it? Customers want to know. If they know the prices beforehand, that's one less objection for them moving in if they ever call you. The next thing that you want to have is you want it to be mobile friendly. I think it's 80% of consumers who are shopping for self-storage are doing so the day that they need it, and they are on their phone. So if you had a website that was beautiful on a computer, but it sucked on the phone, you have a sucky website, because 80% of the people coming there are doing so on their phone, and they're doing it exactly when they need it. You can look around at some of the big guys like Extra Space, CubeSmart, Public Storage, kind of get a feel for the flow of their website. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, guys. You just want those qualifications. So the worst thing you could do is to buy it and to never plan on having a great website. The other thing that I'll say is Google My Business. You want to create a Google My Business so that you're on Google Maps. You also want to get on Apple Maps, and you want to register your business in those 2 places. Last month, one of my facilities got 40,000 views on Google My Business. Insane amount of free advertising. And also, if you want to email me, you can email me, Hayden at HaydenCrabtree.com. I've got this system in place to where I've gotten, I think in the last year, 75 5-star reviews for my business. Super easy to implement. I'm willing to share that with anybody who wants to email me. Just email me review system for my storage business. Make that the headline, and I'll send that system to you. Very powerful.